Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be looking at data collection, in particular what's called a census. Now a census is when everyone or everything in a population has data collected from them. We'll be doing a task today that looks at the information that was gathered from a census in 2011. And when you're doing this task, what I'd like you to be doing is to ask yourself, what are the advantages of doing a census? What are the disadvantages of doing a census? And what options do we have if a census cannot be done? What can we do, like a survey, or are there other things that we can do? So for today's task, if you haven't actually finished the task from Friday where you had to pick a team, create a stem and leaf plot, and find the minimum, maximum, range, mean, median, mode, or the M words, then I'll get you to finish that. There are some semi-completed posters at the front of the classroom. But if you have finished that, what I would like you to do is to find a desktop computer. The computer lab should be booked. I'd like you to go to Scootle and go to the student login and put in DAFATE. And then click play. You should get a screen that looks a little something like this. So if you click on the play button, you should get taken to, not this screen, hang on, whoops, technical hitch. How's this for editing, Mr. Hines? Absolutely terrible. Should cut this part out. Kids are getting restless. Kids are getting bored. Hang in there, guys. Here we go. So what I'll do, after you click on play, I'll get you to click on view a story, which is just here. So go to view a story. The next part, if you can choose a category on the left and compare different results from around Australia. So if we just click on there again, see on the left here, there's languages spoken at home, ethnic background, occupations, gender, travel to work, lots of other things there to look at. What I'd like you to do is click on maybe, you can choose your own, but I'm just going to click on ethnic background here. And what's going to come up is the results for Australia. And it's showing us in this sort of bubble diagram. Now you can actually change, if you look to your right, you can actually click on these different shapes and it can show you the results in different ways. What I thought would be quite interesting is if you can, to make it personal, we can actually type in curry up here and click on that. And then we can see we'll have different types of ethnicities to what's found around Australia there. So looking at, what I'd like you to do is to write down 5 interesting statistics you have found. And I think like something you could compare is like the number of people who identify as Aboriginal in King Island, which I think there is none, versus say somewhere like, you know, a town in Northern Territory or Northern Territory itself. You'll see the word average that will pop up a lot in this, and that will be meaning the mean. At the very end of this, I'd like you to think about this question. Could a census be done to count crayfish in Tasmania? And I'll leave you with that enduring question, and I'll see you later. Bye.